You may have someone you love, a spouse, a child, a parent who suffers from hearing loss. Probably one of the most difficult conversations you will ever have in your life is, "Mom, I think you're having trouble hearing," or "My husband, my wife." So how do we have that difficult conversation? In recommending that, you just want to point out some things you see your loved one's been missing. If they are often asking you to repeat, don't raise your voice. This will enable them to not realize that they have a problem. If this continues, I would suggest that you write down, if you say, they say, "What?" Just grab a piece of paper and jot down what you said. At first, they may be a little bit insulted, but just say, "It's important that we communicate, and you're having a hard time hearing me, so this is the way we're going to do it." Then let's recommend going and getting a test together. You don't know if your loved one needs hearing aids. You don't know if they're deaf. You don't know if it's selective hearing. Getting a professional to run a hearing test is the only way you're going to have actual information to move forward with.